Okay, in today's wedge series video, we're working on that low spinning check shot. Let's go. Okay, so if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We're gonna help get your game in shape. And today we're working on that low spinning check shot. So first of all, don't just go to the green and practice this shot right away. You wanna be in a safe spot to get it down and build some confidence. Okay, so I've got a lot of room for error here. That's what you want, all right? And then get a nice tight fairway style lie so that you can work on getting clean contact on that ball, because that's very important. So these are like your 20-yard shots, 20, 15 yards, 10 yards, something like that, where you want to fly it in low and get a lot of spin. So I'm not going to use my 60 here. I'm using my 54 degree. This is my SM7, Vokey's SM7, 54, and it has 14 degrees of bounce. Okay, so I want to use a club with a fair amount of bounce. Like this has 14 degrees of bounce. And that means this trail edge comes below the leading edge, okay? And so what the bounce does is it helps you control your ball flight and go through the turf properly so we can get the right trajectory that we're looking for. So for these lower shots, I use a lot of bounce. And my sole is just a very standard sole. This is the F grind. So it looks pretty much like a normal club. And so for this shot, I'm gonna open the face up and swing it around my body a lot and just really accelerate through the ball. Okay, I'm not trying to come up and down here. I'm trying to go round and round, and opening the face and having the right bounce will allow you to drive that ball low. So the more you open that face, the more bounce you're adding, and thus helps keep that ball flight down. But opening the face can allow me to swing faster through the ball but keep the ball down. So I can swing faster, get twice as much speed, twice as much spin with less distance. Because I don't want it to go too far. I want to go to like 10, 15 yards. So you're coming around here. Back in here. So my setup is middle, open the face, and I'm swinging around here and around there, keeping everything low. Weight a little bit forward, just a little. The more around your body you go, the lower you can hit that shot and the more spin you have on it. And then you start opening that face a little bit more, and you start speeding up your swing and getting more and more spin while at the same time keeping it low. Okay, after you've got it down, then you can go over to the green and work on the shot to a hole. There you go, that's the low spinning check shot. If you want to just fly it in low and have a lot of bite to it. I'm using my 54 degrees, 14 degrees of bounce, F grind, SM7 wedge. Make sure you have new wedges, a lot more spin on those. And make sure you use a ball that has a soft cover, high spin rate. You don't want a long distance driving ball. It's not gonna help you, okay? Get something you can work around the greens, all right? Anyways, hope this helps. Work on it. It's hard to do, but once you get it down, you're gonna love it. And you're gonna use it all over the place, all right? Hope this helps. Hope this helps your game. Hope this helps lower your scores. Let me know what you like to use around the greens for that low spinning check shot, all right? It's a gold mine, I'm telling you. You can take your friend's money with this type of shot. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Stay tuned. We'll see you next time.